Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jaya and I am a certified professional organizer. Do you have difficulties finding things at home? Does this happen to you that you have to go to a party and you cannot find your favorite dress or accessories? Do your husband or kids keep calling you to find things for them? So if you all are facing these problems, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to see an example of my client who was facing the similar problems in her house and how we helped her. So we are going to meet someone who represents today's modern woman, who is trying to balance her work and family life. She also would love to have her house well organized, but due to lack of time, support, and expertise, she is not been able to do so. So let us meet one such woman.
Hi, I'm Gauri. I'm an IT professional. I have a college going daughter and my husband is also working. I've been working from home since last 2 years, and so because of that I got time to spend more time in my house, and it made me realize that I have pretty decent size house, but still I'm not able to utilize my house or the space the way I wanted. So for example, we have huge wardrobes in my bedroom, and it's like filled with lot of stuff. But whenever I wanted to go out, I never used to find the proper dress for my outing. Okay. The other problem we used to face was in our day-to-day life, we need so many things like medical box or toolkit or any small stuff or stationery. But we, like in my family, nobody used to find it on time and at the same place the next time. So it was in a mess. Last but not the least, kitchen. So the other challenge I was facing was I have enough like decent storage space in my kitchen, but still I was never used to find things there whenever I needed them, and because of that, because of this, there was enough storage, but I used to dump many things there, and many things were kept on the kitchen platform. Yeah. And the second part is grocery. So we used to buy many things, and many a times it used to happen that we are buying the same things multiple times, and but still we were not finding it on time, and sometimes we used to find them, and we used to realize that the expiry is already gone. So there was we realized that there was a lot of wastage of food and money, and we were not using our kitchen stuff efficiently. So these were the problems I was facing, and I realized that I need to do something about it. And I was also sure that I alone cannot do it. These things, and even my daughter or husband, they will also won't have that much time to spend on this, and so I started doing some research. I knew that there are some services, these kind of services abroad, but I was not aware that these services, these professional services are available now in India. So I found on the internet about this happy organizing, and I contacted Jayashree. So when I contacted Jayashree, and when we met, she tried to first understand our lifestyle. She had a discussion with, not only with me, but with my daughter, with my husband. She understood the kind of issues they were facing in day-to-day life, and then she gave us wonderful customized solutions for our house related issues.
So, when I first met Gauri and her family members, I first tried to understand the problems they all were facing. So, I spoke to each and every member in the family individually to know their habits, likes, and dislikes, the problems they were going through, and their lifestyle. So, after talking to each of them, I realized that they all are so busy in their own work and they are not been able to give time for home and to get organized. They all realize the impact of not being organized in their lives. But due to lack of time and expertise, they are not able to get themselves organized. Not being organized was creating stress between the family members. They themselves also realized that they were not able to give quality time to each other. So, after understanding the situation, we came up with a solution for them. And let's see what were the problems they were facing and what solutions did we give. The problems they were facing and what we did. Closet, the problem they were facing. They couldn't find clothes and accessories on time, and so they would waste time looking for things. So this is the closet that we are going to organize. It's a men's closet. So we'll be seeing how I have organized this closet. What we did. We first decluttered the closet and helped them get rid of things that they didn't need. So I have used an hanging method for some of his clothes like trousers and jeans and some of his t-shirts. Now this is a multi-layer hanging cabinet that I have used to create an extra space in the cupboard. And as you can see, there's a box in which I have stored all the wristwatches. And let's see how I have stored the socks and the hankies, the mask and the ties. So they have all stored in one drawer. So these are the shirts and the t-shirts that have been stacked traditionally, because it is convenient that when they come from laundry, it can be just kept on top of each other. Now this is where I have stored all his kurtas and pajamas, which are occasionally needed. This is the last shelf where we have stored all the blazers which are used occasionally. And yeah, this is the way we have utilized the space and made the maximum utilization of the closet. Help them give all the miscellaneous items a home. kitchen, we did a deep cleaning and decluttering with them. We helped them get rid of things that were not being used and they did not need. This is how we decluttered each and every item in the kitchen. So finally we realized that most of the space in the kitchen was taken by the items that were not needed. So we got rid of it and created more space, a storage space in the kitchen. Problems faced in day-to-day working. Keeping the kitchen platform clutter-free. The family members could not find things. Let us see how we organized her kitchen. We give each thing in a kitchen a home. Gave them tips to keep their counter clutter-free. Let me show you what organizing method did we use. We created place for all the electrical appliances. We wanted to give their daughters' breakfast cereals a place. So we used transparent jars so that she can see what's there in it. You may notice we have made use of glass jars for storing all the food items. The reason for using transparent jars was that all the food items were visible to them. So we created a place for all the empty containers and the shopping bags. We also used transparent plastic boxes to store the things. To store all the grains, we use steel containers with transparent lids. This method was practical for them. Now they can see what they have and not and buy grocery accordingly. This prevented wastage of grocery items. So this way we have been able to give a place for every item in the kitchen. So now they know where all the items are and it is convenient for them to use it. For the extra grocery items, we created a small pantry for them. Let us see what we did. This is a small pantry created for them. So now they can see all the things they have, and to make maximum utilization of this, we have used steel racks. So all the extra grocery items are visible to them, and this has made her life simpler because she knows now what she has and what she doesn't, so that she can order accordingly. So as you saw what we did for them, we basically followed the 3 M's of organizing with them, that is minimize, maximize and maintain. Yes, we first minimized. That means we decluttered the things that were not needed or that were not being used. So we helped them with decluttering and getting rid of all the things that were not needed. The second M is maximize. Yes, we gave them solutions to help them maximize the space that they have. So we gave them lot of customized options to utilize the space in a much better way. Yes, last but not the least, maintain. The third M is maintain. Yes, we taught them or gave them some tips and tricks to maintain what has been organized. Now that they got their house organized from us, they took a help, but it is difficult to maintain it. If you don't maintain it, you are going to go back to not being organized. So maintaining is a very important aspect. So we gave them some tips and tricks so that they can maintain the house the way it is now. We also help them to refurnish their kitchen. We help them to create storage space that was customized to their needs and easy to maintain. We also help them to buy the containers that were required. We gave them lot of options and solutions they can use in their house as a storage. So let me tell you that we gave them a customized solution as per their habits and lifestyle. For each and everything, all the members of the family were involved in the decision that were being taken. So it really helped us to make quick decisions as the family members were involved. And so that is the reason we came up with a customized solution for their family that suited them the best. So I have done enough of talking. Now let us see what Gauri has to say regarding the organizing that we did.
Things have really changed after we have done our house through happy organizing. So to start with the wardrobe, so now I find the dresses I want to wear on time, and I realized that there were many dresses which I had emotional connect with, but I never used to find them, but now I can wear them now. Then we have all the the things are at their places. Every thing has its own place, and we all are now living kind of a disciplined life. And after the declutter and everything, now I can find my clothes or my dresses on time, and even the accessories, the purse or everything which goes along with that dress, I can find it immediately. And earlier I used to get stressed out whenever I wanted to go out, because whether I'll find that dress and the proper accessories with it. But now the life has become very easy and comfortable. Apart from wardrobe, the other things that those have changed, like the miscellaneous things I talked about and the kitchen stuff. So now there is less wastage, food wastage in my kitchen. I could find the things on time, and the overall my house is now very well organized. My family members are also happy and they find things on time, and so whenever I come home, I feel happy, and I'm getting more time for myself and like pursuing my hobbies. I can like the life has become very happy, and I'm really happy with that I took the professional services of Happy Organizing by Jayashree.
So friends, in today's video, we saw what problems Gauri and her family were facing, and as a professional organizer, how I was able to help her. So friends, if you have liked my video, please do not forget to click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button for more videos like this every Saturday. So friends, see you all next Saturday. Stay happy, stay organized. Thank you.